So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. First thing first, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you have not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Yesterday we did analysis for the day on our GBPUSD and we said that GBPUSD will give us a bullish move for the day. GBPUSD gave us a bullish move that we said we were expecting. This is the bullish move right here. It opened and closed bullish. Can you see it right here? This is very clear that our prediction was right. So take a look at it here. The one of GBPUSD opening and closing bullish. The two of it opening and closing bullish. This is day 3 of it opening and closing bullish. And here comes the day 4, it's opening and closing bullish. So if you would want more updates like this, you would not to miss out on any updates. All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So our next movement on GBPUSD is just a pullback and one more movement again to the upside. So basically, if you are in on the buy, right, to take your buy, I would advise you to actually hold the buy because markets will still continue to push further up. But if you are not yet in the buy and you want to enter the buy, then I will advise you to wait for a pullback on your forward time frame. So once markets place the pullback right on the forward time frame, then in your London session, look for a buy setup that will eventually pay out and will make GBPUSD to go bullish. So this pullback, we should expect it to this level, which is the level of 1.38070. So this is the level we should be expecting a pullback to, 1.38070. So once it can drop to that level, then we will be looking for a buy setup that will eventually push it again. So again, for the day, we will be expecting GBPUSD to give us a bullish move